Hey guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is my first official YouTube video. Okay, get used to me being excited. I'm usually excited and happy, and today is a peculiar one because I am doing this. I'm doing this after a long time, and I'm glad I'm not doing it alone. I'm glad that you're here with me, you're holding me by the hand, you're cheering me on, knowing that I will give you back-to-back content, valuable content for your jewelry business. Okay, so today's content is specifically for those that have not started their jewelry business, but you have interest in venturing into the jewelry business soon. So you want to know how to start, or those that have started but are not sure, maybe they started in a good note, on the right track, or if they missed something. Yes, this video is for you. We're talking about 5 essential tips on starting your jewelry business. 5 essential tips on starting your jewelry business, and who knows, I might give you an extra one, Okay, so this is what you're going to do right now. Please click on the like button and click on the subscribe button, and rest assured I am going to give you back-to-back content in this video. The number one tip for starting your jewelry business is you have to have a vision, and I really like you starting big. Don't go for a 1-year vision, start like with a 5-year vision. Where do you see your jewelry business in 5 years? How much do you expect to be making in 5 years? Which country or which state or which location would you like your businesses to be situated in the next 5 years? Have a big vision for your business. So why it is very important that you have a big vision is so delays and disappointment does not make you tired, does not make you give up, does not make you lose track of the big vision which you have. Small setback do not scare people that have big vision. So that's why you need to have a 5-year vision. Yes, after having a 5-year vision, you can bring it down to 2 years, you can bring it down to 1 year, you can bring it out to 6 months, then 1 month. But first, have a big vision for your jewelry business. Have a mission statement, have a vision statement. These are the things that will keep you going on the long run. Now, let's go to number 2. Decide your monthly income and expenses. Decide, this is the amount I want to be making in my first month, in my second month, in my third month, in my 1 year. Have that kind of goal and make creative strategies that will make you push yourself to hitting such goals for your business. Also decide on how much you want to be spending every month on your expenditure. Okay, how much do you want to spend on marketing? How much do you want to pay for salary if you're starting with paying for salary, or rent, or paying yourself? You have to determine this, because there will always be expenses. Trust me, even in the beginning, there are usually more expenses than income. So you have to position yourself in a way that your expenses does not overtake your income, even as a small business owner. Okay, so decide your income for the month and also decide your expenses for your month. The truth is, you might not reach there. The truth is, you might surpass it, but the fact that you have a figure in mind will let you know when you lose track and help you re-strategize to go back on track. So yes, you need to decide on your monthly income and expenditure. Point number 3, you need to decide on a name for your business. You need to decide on your name for the business. Look up for a beautiful, creative name that stands you out. Ask your friends for suggestions, advice. You can go on social media platform which you're already engaged on and ask them to look up for names for you to help you create beautiful names. Ask your friends, ask your colleagues, your family members that you want to start a jewelry business. Can you help me come up with a name and all of that? Take your time and get a name that you love, you absolutely love. Don't worry, the name can change anytime. Even if you grow in the business and you don't like it anymore, or you see someone else using it, like you can go on social media and check for the name to see if there's any business you currently using that name. So that will also help you decide fast. You can also go on Google and search for jewelry business names. Okay, they can give you some ideas on how to structure your business name, but don't be too emotional about your name because it might change during the course of your business journey. Okay, the most important thing is you have a name that people can refer to. Point number 4, design a business logo. Design a business logo. How many of you watching me right now have started a jewelry business but you don't have a logo? How many? Okay, you need to design a business logo for your new jewelry business. You cannot leave that to chance. There are many ways, free options like Canva. You can go right now to design your business logo. You could just write, when you get your business name and you get your brand color, go there, you'll see already existing templates which you could just tweak with changing of name or changing of color or fonts, and you get your temporary business logo. These two will likely change at the course of your business journey, so don't be emotionally attached to it. But it's very important that you have a business name and a business logo. This will also help you to create a business card which you can give out to friends and family and colleagues and acquaintances here and there. Okay, and people will begin to take you seriously. So yes, that's for point number 4. Now let's go to point number 5. Point number 5, create an online presence. Quickly, as soon as you decide your business name and your business logo, go on Instagram, go on TikTok, go on Facebook, go on every channel possible and create a mark there. Take your name, take your logo and create an account. So when you want to start your business, you already have something to start with, a platform or 2 platforms to start with. Okay, so create an online presence. Most importantly, create an Instagram account or Facebook account where you can begin to promote your jewelry. Do not take this for granted because this is one of the best tips ever. You don't want to start your jewelry business, then when you've created this beautiful business in your mind and taking your time to create it, you go on Instagram or you go on Facebook and to find out someone else has taken your business name. Not a good day at all. Not a good day. Okay, so that is for tip number 5. So I promised I was going to give you an extra tip, right? Yeah, this is for tip number 6. Okay, be patient with your business growth. Be patient with your business growth. Because I said you should have a monthly target does not mean you will meet it in the first month. You might meet it in the 3rd month or even in the 6th month. But the journey is more important than the destination. Okay, be patient with yourself. Learn along the way. Learn what works for you and what doesn't work for you. Okay, and learn it fast so that you can move on to the next level, the next phase. Make sure you are always developing your skill, your knowledge in the business. Even if you've been in another business earlier, know how this particular business works. Know what is important, what is not important. Know the aesthetics, know the brands, know the qualities, know the materials. There are a lot of things to know in this jewelry business. So while on your journey to starting your jewelry business, be patient with yourself in learning and also achieving your goals. So that's all for today. So if you got value from this video, please do well to like and subscribe, and see you on our next video. Peace.